Thanks for coming in, Doc. The inmate's name is Miles Murray. We have corroborating evidence that links up to 2 murders that took place Saturday. I should warn you, we believe he's highly unstable. Take extra caution during your eval. If you need anything, we'll be right outside.
Well, I guess I should introduce myself. My name is...
Look, I don't really care who you are. I told those other 2 shitheads I ain't saying nothing. Not until I see a damn lawyer.
Right. I totally understand. I'm not here to interrogate you. I just need to complete my evaluation and then I'll be on my way. It's strictly a formality. I just need to see if you need to go to the insane asylum or not. As I was saying, Mr. Murray, my name is Dr. Henry Fritz. I just want to get a feel for your mental state. Is that okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Great. Have you ever had any other type of therapy or counseling before?
Do I look like I've been to therapy? My therapy is the great outdoors. Getting some peace and quiet.
Right, of course. Family? You got any kids? You got a spouse?
Well, I got a little girl, if that's what you mean.
Well then, tell me about her.
You know, she acts like her mom too much these days.
Kids can be complicated. I know the struggle. Mine always runs off, you know, always to the park on 7th, so. But I still get a heart attack every time.
7th, huh? Well, you know, kids get lost. They come back.
Not always. Saturday night, the police report said they found you at 7th. Did it not?
I thought this wasn't an interrogation.
It's not. It's just, I'm getting a better sense of your routine.
Well, I go there to clear my head.
Right. Therapy. Did you see anybody?
Faces blur.
Some don't. Especially when they surprise you.
Alright, Doc, what are you trying to get at?
My daughter saw you that night. Didn't she?
You're her dad. Small damn world.
She didn't come home.
Kids wander. Some wander into things they shouldn't.
You killed her. And now I understand you perfectly.
What is that? What do you think you're doing?
This is the second part of the evaluation. Keeping the peace. The same peace that you took from my daughter.